How to log in Target RedCard Online Account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log in into your Target RedCard Online, you can just search for target.com. With a login into your Target account, you can get access to your RedCard or your Target credit card. If not, in a browser, search for rcam.target.com, after which you'll be redirected to its official website. To log in into your Target RedCard account, firstly enter your username, that is the username of your Target account. Then enter your password, after which just tap on the Sign In button in order to log in into your Target RedCard Online account. If you have any of the issue regarding the login process, you can tap on Forgot your username or password. In that case, you can enter your username and email address, for which you'll be sent a recovery email via the designated email address. In the case of forgotten username, tap on Forgot Username option. Then just enter your email address and tap on Submit. And that brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.